So what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing great today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit 4K footage on a slow machine. Either it's a laptop or an old desktop machine that you've had for a couple of years. Really outdated hardware. It's not capable of editing any 4K, and it's even struggling editing full HD footage. If you're somebody who is in that boat, or if you're somebody like me who has an ultrabook like this that just isn't powerful enough, that doesn't add a dedicated GPU, it has a good CPU, it has enough RAM, it has really fast flash storage, but it just doesn't have a graphics card in it to support it, then this is the video for you. So what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to be creating a thing called proxies, and we're going to be replacing our 4K footage with these proxies, and the proxies are going to be creating a second version of our 4K file into a lower res quality file, like 720p or potentially even 480p if your computer is really slow or it just doesn't have a dedicated graphics card like this laptop. So I would recommend going for something like 480p. And the thing is, don't worry, we're not completely changing the actual footage to being that resolution. It's just we're bringing it down the resolution to actually have a good experience editing. But the moment you're going to export the video, during the export, Premiere Pro will automatically transfer it back to its original file size, and it's going to be exported and it's going to be a 4K file. So don't worry about it ruining your shot, lowering your quality. You're just going to be lowering the quality of the footage just for the timeline, just for the editing session. But the moment you're done editing and you export the file, it's going to be back to its 4K and its high resolution size. So that's the beauty of it, is it's really simple, really easy. Premiere Pro really does a lot of things for you. It really optimized it extremely nice, like editing it, when you're exporting it, it all does it for you. All you have to do is just create the actual proxy itself, choose the resolution you want to use, and go through the simple 3-4 step process. So now you know what proxies are and what we're actually going to be doing. Now let's jump into how to actually create these proxies so you can start editing on your older or just slower machines like this one. So the first thing you want to do is you want to launch Premiere Pro and create new project. Go to ingest settings and check the checkbox next to ingest. And then you want to go next to ingest, drop down menu, and select create proxies. Down there, you're going to have multiple options. For example, the most popular one is going to be 1280 by 720 GoPro Cineform. That's the most popular one. Honestly, choose the one that works best for you. Maybe you want a 480p timeline because your PC might be extremely slow. I don't know. Choose the one that suits you best, but the standard one is 1280 by 720. That's the best one to use, so just stick with that one. Set proxy destination to the same as project. Click OK, and now the project is ready to go. So now what you're going to be doing is you're going to go to your media browser and locate the footage that you want to actually use, import it into your Premiere Pro project. And what this is going to do is it's going to import your files into a Adobe program called Adobe Encoder. So when you press import, it should already automatically start rendering your footage and changing it into the proxy version. If it's not, go to the top right and press the green play button, and that's going to start rendering your footage. As soon as it's rendered, go back to Premiere Pro and drag in all the video clips you want to actually use. The next thing you want to do is you want to click the plus sign that's above your timeline, and that's going to open up a big page where it has a ton of different buttons that Premiere Pro offers. The one you want is the one called Toggle Proxies. Drag that into your toolbar and activate it. When you've activated it, proxies are now on. That means your footage has now been replaced with the 720p, or depending on which one you chose, has been replaced with that file type, and you can now easily scrub through your footage, scrub through the timeline, watch it comfortably with pretty much no dropped frames. So that will do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, slap the like button and click the subscribe button if you guys are brand new here. We post videos like this and others every single week. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I also post behind the scenes content, and I also post consistent Instagram photos. I'm a photographer, not only a filmmaker. So if you guys are interested in checking out my photos and just seeing a bit more content from me, check out my Instagram. I'm consistently active on there. If you follow me, I might be able to follow you back, or leave some comments, some suggestions, whatever you guys want to see for next video, leave them down below, as well as go out, shoot some photos, shoot some videos, enjoy the process. I'll see you guys next time, and peace out.